We're looking at for our high temperatures, 102 degrees in Medford, 91 in Klamath Falls. But then you look at the coast, all in the 60s. That marine layer really starting to keeping things cool for them. And also the onshore flow always keeps the coast a lot cooler than what we see here further inland. Now, over the last 6 hours on satellite and radar, we are tracking these thunderstorms that were moving through the far east basin, also in Northern California as well. Every red dot you see is a lightning strike that was recorded. We do have this strong thunderstorm that is now starting to dissipate, but it is wrapping around and also moving in as well to other parts of the region. We are going to keep an eye on that with more lightning that is expected, could cause more dangerous fire weather, and we have a red flag warning in effect tomorrow. I'll tell you more about that in just a minute, but here is what we're looking at across the region right now. Overcast at the coast, mostly sunny elsewhere in the region, just those cumulus still developing in the Klamath Basin. Here's our 24-hour temperature change. You can see not much at the coast. They're about where they were, except North Bend just a little bit warmer, but 13 degrees warmer here in Medford, 11 degrees in Lakeview. You can see that we have warmed up significantly since yesterday because we had that stratus deck overhead that really kept us cool. Today we were mostly clear. More sun radiation. We did warm up. Here's what we expect tonight. Just some fog at the coast. Clouds in pretty much all of southern Oregon. It will be partly cloudy out there. If you can, get out and check out that supermoon. It will be a spectacular sight. You can always send in your photos, and you might see them in tomorrow's weather forecast. For your four-city forecast tomorrow, clouds at the coast once again. Mostly sunny elsewhere, and a better chance for thunderstorms in the Klamath Basin and Northern California as well. So we'll have a fire weather warning, a red flag warning in effect until Sunday at 8 o'clock. Dry fuels, abundant lightning, and gusty winds all cause for dangerous fire conditions. Now, here's our upper level atmosphere, what's going on. This is that upper level low that's been sitting off the coast for a few days. It's got that wraparound, bringing a lot of moisture into our area and a lot of instability as well. After that happens, our high pressure ridge will build back into our region and really warm us up. I'll show you that with the GFS model. The low pressure scoots off to the northeast and joins the jet stream, but this darker orange, that's that high pressure back building into our region, bringing in significantly warmer weather throughout the early parts of next week. Now, for the south coast tomorrow, we'll have that morning fog. We could possibly get a little bit of marine drizzle as well. A little bit of a wind out of the west up to 10 miles an hour. For Northern California, partly cloudy skies with isolated thunderstorms as well, getting very hot, breaking the triple digits yet again for the Klamath Basin. Isolated thunderstorms, a better chance in the basin tomorrow and even in the Cascades as well. Chance for isolated thunderstorms at red flag warning until 8 o'clock. For the Rogue Valley, though, it will be dry yet again and hot in the afternoon. For the next 7 days of the south coast, after Tuesday, the marine layer breaks down, high pressure moves in, warms us up. 73 degrees in Brookings on Tuesday. For Northern California, that will be the hottest day of the week. 106 in Wairika. We will be most likely breaking record temperatures by this time. For the Klamath Basin, once again, we'll also see warm temperatures as well, but a chance for thunderstorms into the middle of next week with more of a disturbance that would be moving through another low pressure system, bringing in a little bit of a cold front as well. So even for the mountain locations, expect some upslope flow and a chance for isolated thunderstorms as well. For the Rogue Valley, drying out, though, through the extended period, 105 degrees by Tuesday. It's going to be a hot one.